Botany AR is a mobile app that uses augmented reality to transform your natural environment into a visual field guide for plants. There are many ways to discover plants through Botany AR. To search the widest area for a particular species, you can use the Plant Map function to find tagged plants within your area. Within the camera view, Botany AR's primary tool, you can view tagged species within your immediate vicinity. Each tagged plant can be explored beyond the AR ID tag by clicking its banner to learn more. See a plant without a tag? Use the Identify mode to identify the species and tag it for the whole Botany AR community to enjoy. As you identify and tag new plants, those plants will be added to your personal greenhouse for you to revisit and research further anywhere. So get outside and start learning about the plant life that surrounds you. With Botany AR, now you're the botanist.